Incising tools. This video will go over the various incising tools that are available and some of the considerations when selecting these tools when incising on the surface of your wear. In another video, I'll go over technique and some considerations and practices that will help in having successful results in incising. But for now, this discussion will just be about the tools themselves. All of these tools here can be used for incising. They do, however, work a little differently. These tools here will actually press into the clay and displace the clay. I'll show an example in a few minutes. And these will extract the clay in order to create the incised surface. First, let's start with tools that do what I like to call displacing the clay. That is, you're pushing into the clay and it's moving to either direction of the tool. And it could be something as simple as using a dull pencil in the clay, or here are some wooden tools that have a dull edge. There are ball stylus tools you can buy in various sizes by clay manufacturers. Also, some of my students will go into the beauty supply. They found some nice ball stylus tools there. And we also have some pricier stylus tools, but they are very effective in achieving desired results. So you have all of these tools, and I'll go into the subtle differences and some considerations when using the ball stylus tools and all of these different tools in the next video. But the main thing you want to know is these tools will push into the clay, and I'll go ahead and give a quick example of that, but do look to the video that goes into technique, and we'll give a little more information. So these incising tools do what I refer to as extracting the clay. So you will take the tool and dig into the surface, and it will leave a recessed line. And there's a variety of tools here. Something as simple as something you can make using a dull pencil and just adding a little bobby pin at the end. This one has a little brush at the end. Or buying a loop tool, and they have loop tools with different sizes at either end, or you can also buy a variety that will give you different line quality, different shapes and sizes. So here, briefly, I'll demonstrate how this is a tool that, this is the ball stylet, presses into the clay and displaces the clay. And here we have the loop tool that will actually extract the clay. And we see that it has pulled a little piece of clay, where this one has just displaced and pushed it to either side. So in the technical video, I will describe a little more in detail how some of these tools work. And I will also cover some important information, the right stage of clay to begin incising for successful results, and just a few other considerations when incising clay.